Here we have a 68 plate BMW 530e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the M Sports package. We also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue brake calipers just behind. We have the white exterior paintwork, £2,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the advert description. We also have the gloss black front grills, the full M Performance kit including the front splitter. We have the LED headlights. Round to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel, again unmarked, just down here. Taking a step back, you find the side skirts along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows, with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top. We also have the eDrive badging on the sides. Taking a closer look, you find the carbon fibre rear spoiler just here on the tailgate. Front and rear parking sensors with a visual display. We also have the dual exit exhaust with the rear diffuser. Now if you press the button on the remote, then the boot will pop open just like so. Inside of here you find we have plenty of space, it does go quite far back. We also have a storage pocket on the left hand side. Closing the boot and then walking back round to the driver's side, now you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. If you take a look at the interior, inside of the back first, you find the full black leather interior, foldable armrest in the centre. We also have the fixed ISO points, the blue stitching as well, as you can see, really nice interior. Blue, we have the ambient lighting on the doors. We also have the climate control with the vents, and also both these outer seats at the back are heated, controlled down there. Got the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric windows as well on the doors. Same full length interior at the front. Both the front seats are heated and also electrically adjustable, as you can see, controlled down there. Again, the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows with child lock for the rear, automatic lights, automatic wipers, multifunctional steering wheel. Take a seat at the side and you see we do have the steering wheel which is heated with that button just there. Got the digital dashboard in front of us. Put our foot on the brake and press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us. Got the cruise control and the speed limiter on the left hand side, the volume buttons on the right. Now we are free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard, other than letting us know about the low fuel range. We have the main infotainment screen in the centre, which is currently showing the sat-nav. Again, plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. Quickly going through them, we have the shortcuts down here, so press onto the media. You find all the media options such as the DAB radio, the music collection, CD player, Bluetooth audio, USB. Go on to the mobile devices, you'll find the Apple CarPlay just here as well. We also have the Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. Going onto the main menu, if you go onto my vehicle, onto the lights, you'll find the ambient lighting, plenty of colours which you can go through just here. We also have the intelligent safety system, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Further down you find the climate control, got the heated seats on either side and the ice cold air conditioning as well, all working as they should do. Nice gloss black trim just there. Inside of here you find some storage space. We have the cup holders, 12-volt connectivity and a USB port, can be closed like so. Automatic gearbox with the different drive modes, so press onto this one. You can see we have the Eco Pro. We also have Comfort and the Sport drive mode. Also changes the design for the dashboard for different drive modes, as you can see as I flick through them. Put the car into reverse, you find the front and rear parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park just like so. We have the electric handbrake and the auto hold button. Parking sensors just there. We also have a nice leather armrest in the centre which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.